Functions of group. The groups are formed as their functions are beneficial to the members. The following are the functions or benefits of social group. Number one, groups satisfy human needs. For by living in a social group, a member acquires not only common way of life but also its beliefs, values and ideals. All these together generate a sense of unity and common goals that lead to collective activities and a sense of belongingness to the group. So all the things that the members of the group want to achieve, they can achieve it in the group by the help of other persons. There are certain common way of life, but also its beliefs, values and ideals help the members of the group to acquire not only the social but other things. Group provides security. Human survival depends on group life. It is a social life that leads to cooperation, which is necessary for human procreation. So the survival of human beings depends upon the group life. It is social life that leads to cooperation, where each and every person tries to help one another, which is necessary for human procreation. Hence, it may be said that human survival depends on group life. No human being can either protect himself alone or can get alone what all he needs, since a human being requires many things to live as a human being. So for making the life peaceful and smooth going, it is important for each and every human being that he has to depend upon others. He has to seek the help of the others. Then only he will be able to get all those things that he wants in his life. So group life is necessary for the growth and continuous survival of human species. Third is, special groups perform multiple functions which are either private or public. Family is a social group that meet both private and social needs of its members. It has a tradition of many generations in performing multiple functions. As a group, family outlives that life for any member. So family is a social group, and this social group meet the private as well as the social needs of its members. It has a tradition of many generations, according to which it has to look after the well-being of each and every member of the family. Groups share common goals. Groups share common goals in the sense that the members tend to be generally similar to one another in respect of the purpose of the group. All the members are similar. Therefore, each and every member has to perform all those acts which are the common goals to achieve the common goals of the group. If the goals of the group are religious, the members tend to share opinions on religious matters. Fifth, groups also provide many activities which would not be possible by a lone individual. Sixth, social behavior and personalities of the individuals are shaped by the group to which they belong. Seventh, individuals derive such satisfaction from groups that group affiliation itself becomes precious to them. Groups provide opportunities for functional interdependence, as individuals are dependent upon one another for their survival. Thus, social groups serve both private and public needs of short and long term as well. Now, types of groups.